Having trouble with call forwarding on Mint Mobile? You're not alone. As a budget carrier using T-Mobile's network, Mint Mobile sometimes experiences glitches with this feature. Call forwarding lets you redirect incoming calls to another number, but issues can arise from app limitations, network hiccups, or even specific device settings. The good news is that most problems can be resolved with the right troubleshooting steps. Mint Mobile relies on T-Mobile's core network, so it supports standard North American numbering plan (NANP) codes. However, forwarding must be enabled per call or unconditionally via the device or app. Essential codes, unconditional forwarding, dial 72 followed by the forwarding number, e.g. 721345789 shack. To disable, dial 73 shack. Conditional forwarding, e.g. when busy or unanswered, use 90, busy, 91, no answer, or 92, unreachable, followed by the number. First, try the Mint mobile app. The latest versions have a dedicated call forwarding toggle in settings. If that doesn't work, use carrier codes. For unconditional forwarding, dial *72 followed by the number you want to forward calls to, then press the call button. To cancel, dial *73. Test by calling your Mint mobile number from another phone. Still not working? Check your phone's settings under call forwarding. Roaming or Wi-Fi calling can interfere, so disable them temporarily. If all else fails, contact Mint Mobile support for personalized help. Always ensure your SIM is properly activated and cellular data is enabled for optimal performance.